The moment you realize you've been scammed, your stomach drops. Your hands go cold, your mind races, and a single word repeats over and over. How could I be so stupid? If that's where you are right now, I want you to take one slow breath. Because the next 60 minutes matter far more than how you feel about yourself. This video is a calm, step-by-step guide for exactly this moment. What to do first, how to try to get your money back, and how to make sure it never happens again. There is no lecture here, and there is no shame. Just a clear plan you can follow even with shaking hands. So let's start with the thing nobody tells you. Getting scammed does not mean you are foolish. It means a professional liar did their job well. Scammers are not random criminals working alone in the dark. Many of them work in organized teams with scripts, psychology, and practice. They study how fear, urgency, and hope make smart people act fast. Doctors get scammed, engineers get scammed, and yes, even people who study fraud get scammed. The trap is almost never about intelligence. It's about being caught at the wrong moment, in the wrong emotion. Maybe you were busy, tired, excited, or scared when the message arrived. That one window is all they needed. So please drop the story that you are the only one this happened to. Millions of people lose money this way every single year. The difference between those who recover and those who don't is simple. The ones who recover stop blaming themselves and start taking action. And action is exactly what the first R is about. Let's talk about what to do immediately, while it still counts. Speed matters more than perfection right now. Your first job is to stop the bleeding. If money just left your account, contact your bank immediately. Call the official number on the back of your card, not any number a stranger gave you. Tell them clearly that you are a victim of fraud and you want the transaction stopped or reversed. If a card is involved, ask them to block it right away. If you shared a password or login, change that password from a safe device now. Then change the password on your email, because your email controls everything else. If you sent money through a transfer app, open it and report the transaction as fraud inside the app. The faster you flag it, the higher the chance the money is still frozen somewhere. Many transfers sit in a holding state for a short time before they fully clear. That short window is your best friend, so do not wait until tomorrow. While you do this, start documenting everything. Take screenshots of every message, number, link, and payment confirmation. Write down names they used, times, and exactly what was said. Do not delete the chat in anger, because that chat is now your evidence. Save it all in one folder so you can hand it over cleanly later. This record is what turns a sad story into an actual case. Now let's talk about how to actually try to recover the money. I'll be honest with you, recovery is possible but never guaranteed. Your odds depend almost entirely on how fast you move. Start with your bank's fraud department, because they are your first real line. Banks can sometimes recall a transfer or freeze the receiving account if you reach them in time. Ask them directly what their fraud recovery process is and what you need to provide. Get a complaint reference number and keep it safe. Next, report the crime to the official authorities. Most countries now have a dedicated cybercrime or fraud reporting channel. In many places there is a national helpline or online portal made for exactly this. Filing an official report does two things that matter. It creates a legal record, and it can trigger faster action on the accounts involved. Be aware that many recovery routes have deadlines. Some protections only apply if you report within a certain number of days. So treat this like a fire, not a chore you'll get to eventually. If the scam involved a specific platform, report it there too. Marketplaces, payment apps, and social networks all have fraud channels. Each report adds pressure and leaves a trail investigators can follow. Now here is a hard but important warning. Once word spreads that you were scammed, a second wave often appears. These are recovery scammers who promise to get your lost money back for a fee. They target people who are desperate and grieving their loss. No legitimate agency will ever ask you to pay upfront to recover stolen funds. If someone guarantees they can return your money for a payment, that is the scam again. Real recovery is slow, official, and free to start. So if it sounds fast and magical, walk away. Now let's talk about something most guides ignore completely. The emotional recovery. Losing money to a scam doesn't just hurt your wallet. It shakes your trust in yourself. You replay the moment, you feel embarrassed, and you may not want to tell anyone. That silence is exactly what scammers count on. Shame keeps victims quiet, and quiet victims don't report, and unreported crimes keep working. So speaking up is not weakness, it's how you break the cycle. Tell someone you trust, even if it's just one person. Saying it out loud takes away some of its power over you. Remind yourself that the person at fault is the one who lied, not the one who believed. You extended trust, which is a good human thing, to a bad person. That is their crime, not your character flaw. Give yourself a little time to feel the sting, then point that energy forward. Because the best revenge is becoming the person who never gets caught the same way twice. And that begins with learning to see scams before they reach you. Let's go through the most common traps and the red flags that expose them. First, the investment and trading scam. Someone shows you screenshots of huge, fast profits and invites you into a special group. They let you withdraw a small amount early to build your trust. Then they push you to invest more, and suddenly withdrawals stop working. The red flag is simple: guaranteed high returns with zero risk do not exist. If a stranger online is begging you to get rich, ask why they need you at all. Second, the payment app and instant transfer scam. You get a message saying you'll receive money, but first you must approve a request or enter your PIN. Remember this forever: you never enter a PIN or password to receive money. A code or PIN is only ever needed to send money out, never to bring it in. Anyone telling you otherwise is trying to pull funds from you. Third, the fake loan app scam. It promises instant cash with no paperwork and approval in minutes. Once installed, it demands access to your contacts, photos, and messages. Then come hidden fees, brutal interest, and threats to your family if you are late. The red flag is an app that wants your whole phone before it gives you a single coin. Real lenders check your eligibility, they don't hold your contacts hostage. Fourth, the job and work from home scam. They offer easy money for simple tasks, but first you must pay a registration or training fee. A real job pays you, you never pay to be hired. If the offer asks for money upfront, the job is your money leaving. Fifth, the romance scam. Someone showers you with attention online, builds a deep connection, then hits a sudden emergency. They need money for a flight, a hospital bill, or a stuck shipment. The red flag is a person who claims to love you but can never meet and always needs cash. Real affection doesn't come with a recurring invoice. Sixth, the phishing scam. You get an urgent message that your account is blocked or a payment failed. It pushes you to click a link and log in right now, or lose everything. That panic is the weapon, because urgency switches off your thinking. The red flag is any link that demands your login under time pressure. When in doubt, never click. Instead, open the official app or site yourself. Notice the pattern across all of them. Urgency, secrecy, pressure, and a promise that feels too good. When you feel rushed about money, that feeling itself is the warning. Now let's lock down your accounts and devices so you are a harder target. Turn on two-factor authentication on your email, banking, and main apps. Use a unique password for every important account, so one leak can't open all the doors. A password manager makes this effortless, so you never reuse the same key twice. Keep your phone and apps updated, because updates quietly patch the holes scammers use. Never install apps from links sent to you, only from official app stores. Check the permissions your apps have, and remove anything that asks for too much. Set up transaction alerts so you see every payment the instant it happens. And keep a small habit of reviewing your statements once a week. Now let's build the scam-proof habits that protect you for life. The first habit is the pause. When money is involved and you feel pressure, stop for 10 minutes before doing anything. Scammers need you fast, so slowing down breaks their entire plan. The second habit is to verify through a separate channel. If your bank or a friend supposedly messages you, call them back on a number you already trust. Never use the contact details the suspicious message gives you. The third habit is a simple rule. You never send money, codes, or passwords to anyone who contacted you first. Let that be a line you simply do not cross, no matter the story. The fourth habit is to assume urgency is a red flag, not a reason to hurry. Real institutions give you time, scammers steal it from you. The fifth habit is to talk about money openly with people you trust. A quick second opinion has stopped countless people right at the edge. Now let's bring this all together with the mindset that keeps you safe. Being scammed once does not have to define you. It can become the moment you got serious about protecting your money. The goal is not to become paranoid and trust no one. The goal is to slow down, verify, and refuse to be rushed. Caution is not weakness, it's how you guard everything you've worked for. Every scam you spot from now on is money you quietly keep. And every habit you build is a wall between you and the next attempt. You can recover from this, and you can come out sharper than before. So here is my question for you today. What is one account you are going to secure the moment this video ends? Think about it honestly, then go and actually do it. If this gave you a clear plan when you needed one, follow Wealth Insight Hub. Because protecting your money is a skill, and we build that skill together, one video at a time.